Allocation Services has innovated really by breaking down barriers for researchers and educators to attain the cyber infrastructure resources they need to carry out their initiatives. It requires nothing more than a paragraph of justification to get some really cutting-edge hardware, software, and other various forms of cyber infrastructure. Graduate students can not only lead these allocations, they can start forming collaborations across the NSF space, across the research and engineering space.
Our service team has brought innovation to the program through the development of a documentation called an integration roadmap. And that's a clear and simple set of instructions for all resource providers to step them through the integration process and make it more complete and easier for them to accomplish. Scientists, researchers will have access to not just computing and storage resources, but they might have better interfaces to other research networks, data stores, potentially instruments like telescopes or other types of cyber infrastructure that could be integrated into the ecosystem.
Our team has brought innovation to the program by developing a wide range of different tools that we can use for doing monitoring and measurement of cyber infrastructure. We collect a wide range of different usage metrics and performance metrics that helps us understand what's going on with those systems. So we're looking at who is using the systems, how are they using the systems, and why are they using the systems.
What support really brings to the table is that we have tools like Open On Demand and our Pegasus workflow tool that are really designed at heart to minimize barriers, and people can come on and with a few clicks of a button they can be running on some of the largest supercomputers in the world.
The service teams are all focused on particular services that they're delivering to the community, and the ACO has to bring them together and coordinate them, and we have to make sure that there's coherence in how we present things overall of the program to the community. And coordinating amongst them in this complex environment, requiring us to advance these technologies and enable science along the way, we have to not only provide that coordination, but we need to provide it in a transparent way.
One thing that we can do with the data is really identify who are the underserved community. We have information about where the users running these systems are based, which institution they're in. So we can see if there's any deserts, and we can focus effort to make sure that we reach those people who are not otherwise using the systems.
We have our travel grant program is really aimed at these underserved, under-resourced populations so that they can contribute to our ecosystem, and then they can get travel money to go off and present at the conferences that they need to in their scientific fields. So a lot of what we've designed is really about making sure that we are broadening that participation for all of these different groups.
No matter who you are in this US-based research infrastructure, you have a place here.